Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Then we're going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, right now we have an emergency situation. Yesterday we spoke about a scenario that we have lots of probabilities to come and retest this massive support area of this rise wedge pattern in the 4-hour time frame that's forming actually perfectly. And right now you can clearly see that we are retesting this and most major support area that we are standing right now. And this point, guys, is very crucial, because if we're gonna break this massive support area, then we're gonna see massive free fall on the Bitcoin price, because this $24,150 area is very strong support. And if we find weakness, then we're gonna get straight to this technical price target of this symmetrical triangle, which I'm gonna show you on this video. So guys, on this video I'm gonna explain you why this situation is very dangerous, because in a 1-hour time frame we have one indicator, the first indicator actually, that flip bearish, and this is actually mean that we're gonna see more indicators will come more bearish, and that's of course gonna cause massive drop. So we're gonna see all these things, plus we're gonna look at the mid and the long term if actually the scenario of huge rejection of the Bitcoin price is happen, where we are heading in the long term. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments. I share your friends, it's all I need, and appreciate you for all this help from the bottom of my heart, guys. A big thank you to everyone. And let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out on this video. Initially, we're gonna analyze this 4-hour time frame symmetrical triangle, which, as we know from yesterday's video, we have perfectly formation: A move, B move, C move, D move, and actually before a couple of hours we tried for the third time in a row, or fourth time in a row, to retest this and break this $25,200 area, and we found weakness for one more time. Guys, as you can clearly understand, we have tried many times to surpass this $25,300 area, and always we finding big strength here, and simultaneously we getting in we're getting down with a straight rejection, with a straight leg down. So right now you can clearly see Bitcoin is standing at $24,328, and we trying to retest, and we are retesting currently this major support, which is the support of $24,150, which I told you guys on my Twitter. That's why you should actually follow me on Twitter, because I'm analyzing and giving you guys the latest updates for the Bitcoin situation, and this is very important if you would like to know what's happening within a day on the Bitcoin price. And guys, let's say the scenario that we're gonna break this support, because I'm gonna show you in a very few why I give lots of probabilities to see a breakout to this support and start actually flipping bearish, extremely bearish, with a massive free fall. So before I tell you this, guys, I'm gonna show you the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle, which you're gonna see with your eyes that we're talking for a technical price target of a $22,150 technical price target. And if you ask me if I believe that we can get there, yes guys, I believe that we're gonna see massive free fall straight. At the first point, we're gonna see some stop on the area of $23,500, which is this support. We're gonna stay here, we're gonna consolidate probably for a couple long, and then we're gonna see second breakout, and with the second breakout we're gonna get to achieve and accomplish this technical price target 100%. But I believe that if we're gonna break this support, guys, we're gonna experience the free fall back to this $23,500 within $23,200-300 area, and we're gonna consolidate with ups and downs around in the middle of this technical price target, until we're gonna find again weakness to hold the price, and the selling pressure will be more than enough, which is gonna lead us into this technical price target 100%, which is gonna lead us to this accomplishment of the technical price target. So guys, my indication for this kind of bearish situation is happening with the 1-hour time frame, which if you check here, let me first clear the mess, and I'm going to show you immediately why I highly believe that we have lots of probabilities to get there, because guys, if you check here, you're gonna notice the EMA ribbon in the 1 hour time frame just flip bearish before a couple hours, and this is an indicator that probably mean that all the indicators will start flashing bearish if we're gonna break this massive support area of $21,150, because you're gonna clearly see the exponential moving average 50 and 200 has started curving, and this curve, guys, it means that if we're gonna break this support of the symmetrical triangle and get in the area that I told you, which we're gonna find the second support, and get around to the $23,300 area, probably we're gonna see the flip of the exponential moving average. And guys, this flip gonna collapse the price even more for the Bitcoin price, and we're gonna get us probably straight to this technical price target. Also guys, we have the super trend indicator that before a couple hours also flipped bearish after this massive retest that happened on this $25,200 area, which we found weakness to surpass for one more time. And of course we jumped back, and with that big drop that happened, we flipped bearish. And guys, of course, this is gonna be the first beginning of the fall, because of course if you're gonna get to this $22,000 area, of course we're gonna continue furthermore to the downside, because we're gonna break a massive uptrend movement support area, which is exactly this one, as you can clearly see here. And you can clearly see that if we're gonna get to this technical price target, guys, we're gonna break this massive support area of this uptrend movement, this big uptrend movement, and then the situation here is gonna flip extremely bearish. Okay, because you know my opinion, guys, fundamentally we're extremely bearish, and also technically we are still bearish, but here we're forming an uptrend movement with which, if this is gonna break with of course the first step is to break this symmetrical triangle to the downside, and the second step is to break this support area, which is gonna retest for the third time. If the scenario is gonna be activate, with other words, then we're gonna speak, guys, for the most bearish situation that we're gonna experience on this bear market, because we know fundamentally I'm expecting one more last capitulation to happen, one more last crash that is gonna lead us probably to a new bottom. And if you ask me what's this number, is 12,000 within $40,000, my worst case scenario, and we can actually fluctuate within $12,000 within $16,000. Okay, and from a general perspective, if you completely out zoom the chart, and we're gonna look that in the weekly time frame, you're gonna clearly see here we're forming this descending broadening wedge, which is extremely bearish pattern. And I highly believe, guys, that we're gonna follow this kind of path that I show you. I highly believe that we're gonna see massive rejection back to this 12,000 within $60,000 area, and then we're gonna see this reversal to the upside, and then we're gonna start building the bullish territory very slowly, especially when we're gonna break for the second time this massive $24,000 area. We're gonna jump back to this $30,000 area, and the time that we're gonna break this massive orange line, which is the most major resistance that we have on this bear market, the time that we're gonna break this one, it's gonna be the officially of the bull run. Okay, the new bull run is gonna start from here, so be ready, guys, for all these things. We are actually close, but not so close to the new bull run. Have a little bit patient, stick with your DCA, dollar cost average, daily, weekly, and you're gonna build crazy well performance in the next bull run. Okay, if you're gonna get, guys, down under $20,000, double down your position. If you're gonna get to $16,000, triple down your position. And if you're gonna get, guys, to a new bottom, quadruple or go all in, because we're gonna be in a new bottom and we won't stay there for so long. Afterwards, we're gonna start getting all the profits. Okay, this is the most simple strategy that I'm gonna follow. So that's it. Avoid the trade, because it's very easy to get wrecked out, especially if you are inexperienced and beginner trader, and stick with DCA. Okay, guys, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on Twitter, and see you guys tomorrow with fresh updates. Until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.